This is William Street. I'm going to the Wall Street because I don't know the entrance is blocked. I still have 1 hour to go. Oh gee, the government, the police, the second mayor is blocking every entrance to the canal. Oh, I gotta buy a drink. Where is it? Okay, here we go. It's a long line. Ay, ay, ay. A long line to buy a drink. There's so many people. They don't know where to go because they block every entrance. So they squeeze people towards somewhere without entrance. Oh, I should just stay over there. Oh, I should just stay over there. The city hall. But then I walk towards here. Water, water, water. $4 a water, 3 for 10. Oh gee, I possibly go to my office to get some drink. Yeah. Too bad my office cannot have the view of that parade. Oh. Wow. I got you. Yeah, you can go that, but you know, when people come from that entrance, it's not a good sign. Or they just stupid. I mean, no, they just don't know. Sorry, my language. Okay. Now I think I have to catch it up in 10 o'clock. Oh, look at there. Hi! Hi! I think the doggy never sees so many people in the street. Oh my god. Have to catch up.